Today, we'll navigate through the user interface and buttons on the Blaupunkt BP8.1a dashcam. On the right side, you'll find 4 buttons: up, menu, down, and power. Meanwhile, on the left side, there's a single OK button which also functions as the record or stop recording button. The power button serves as a sleep button, shutting down the DVR upon pressing. To access the menu, press the menu button and use the up or down buttons to navigate to your desired setting. We'll go through each setting step by step. First of all, at the resolution setting, simply press OK to alter the video resolution. Next is the loop recording option, where you can choose between 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes by using the up, down buttons. Press OK to save the setting once you're done. Then, there's the parking time-lapse setting, allowing you to set intervals between 1, 2, or 3 seconds for capturing time-lapse images. Following that, you can toggle the record audio option on or off for your video recordings. The G sensor feature automatically saves emergency videos upon detecting an impact. Adjust sensitivity as needed. You can opt to stamp your license plate on the video, selecting alphabets, numbers using the up, down buttons and OK to confirm. Once the current alphabet is selected, it will automatically advance to the following alphabet until the entire sequence is completed. Screensaver functionality turns off the screen after 1 or 3 minutes to reduce glare during night driving. The video encode setting offers the space-saving H.265 encoding option. Adjust frequency between 50 Hz or 60 Hz to address light flickering based on your country's electricity voltage. USB mode allows connection to your PC. Mirror image function mirrors rear camera recordings for legible license plates. Key voice setting enables or disables button sounds. Adjust speaker volume. And toggle boot sound on, off. Language can be adjusted using the up or down buttons and OK to confirm. This function allows you to set the date and time. Use the up or down buttons to select the desired year, then press OK to proceed to the next section, which includes setting the month, day, and time. Format function wipes SD card data. Default setting resets all settings to factory defaults. For Wi-Fi connection, ensure Wi-Fi is enabled. Press and hold the up button for 2 seconds in standby mode to activate Wi-Fi. Download the Blaupunkt DVR Dashcam app from either the App Store or Google Play Store onto your phone. Then, access your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the DVR Wi-Fi signal. You can use the app to view your videos and photos. And you can also make setting adjustments just like we did earlier directly on the DVR. That's all for today's video. Enjoy it! Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.